my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, I'm Main Spiritu Vascas, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And I would like to advertise my shop in the Philippines, located at GI-11 Villasis Public Market, Villasis, Pangasinan. And for inquiries, please call Ate Tess with the number of 0917-187-8758. And for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you on how to cut and sew a single fitted bed sheet. Let's get started. Our project is a single fitted bed sheet, and this is the fabric. I have here 94 inches width, and the size of the mattress is 75 inches by 36 inches. And I'm going to cut 91 inches by 52 inches. The allowance is already included there. And okay, let's begin. I have to cut 91 inches by 52 inches only for the single bed sheet. You have to keep this part straight. It must be parallel with the center fold of the fabric. So I have to mark it there, and I'm going to use the meter stick and cut this one. After cutting the 91 inches by 52 inches, you have to fold it into 4 and then measure 8.5 inches here, there. Just mark like a square there and here, and then you are going to transfer the mark to the wrong side. Okay, now we are ready for our stitching. This is now the appearance of the fabric at the wrong side. Okay, what we have to do next is to stitch the 4 corners of the fabric. You have to connect the 2 lines with each other. You have to pin it to secure the fabric. Next is to overlock the 4 sides of the fabric. After overlocking it, you're going to measure this space for the elastic or the garter. This part is a corner, and you are going to measure from the stitch outward with 15 inches on both sides. So you're going to measure this one 15 inches and 15 inches from the other side also. Now you have to mark every corner of the fabric with 15 inches on both sides. And then measure 10 inches for the elastic or the garter. Cut 4 pieces of 10 inches elastic or garter. Then stitch the elastic on the marks. Then secure it. stitch it on 4 sides. And then fold this part now at the edge of your fabric or your project, and then you are going to backstitch here on this end of your elastic or your garter, and make it sure that the elastic is not included in the stitching here on this side. You have to stretch the elastic while stitching, or you have to stretch the garter while stitching this way. Just stitch at the edge of the fabric. You see, this is flat, but when you stitch it, you are going to stretch the elastic this way. Pull your elastic or your garter.